Hi, it's Ben from Berthon. Today we'll be looking at a Cobra 9.7m Nautique with an inboard diesel. It's powered by a Volvo D6 and I'll give you a quick walk around. As you can see, she's in immaculate condition, being stored her entire life on this Versadock. She's been serviced annually, has very little use at only 70 engine hours. Really well looked after, in great nick. The tubes are also in immaculate condition from being stored under a cover. Going aft, got a lovely ski pole at the back there, making it ideal for both families and also use aboard larger boats as a tender and combined with a nice sun pad. It really is a lovely place to be on a nice sunny day. Aft we've got a nice comfortable seating area with a very smart fold out table, which I'll show you shortly, and also a nice fridge kind of cooler area built into the back of the helm seats. Moving forward to the helm, we have various pieces of tech including VHF, chart plotter and Volvo engine data, along with the controls for the engine bay lift and the electronic throttle for the engine. Stereo speakers all around, along with nice little cockpit lights for the evening. Helm seats, very comfortable and cozy, hugging you in when underway, but also giving you that option for a bolster if you want to stand up and helm. Coming forward in standard Cobra fashion, got this lovely seating, kind of lounging area at the front, and a lovely synthetic teak bow area. The front of the helm console is a very useful porta potty fixed down, along with a freshwater sink and lighting in there. Going aft again, I will quickly demonstrate this fold out table, which is just in here. Very neatly just lifts out of there, giving you a nice seating area for lunch, snacks, canapes and so on. Obviously these seats here on either side, we've got storage in those, along with the storage aft. And I will just head to the helm and begin opening that engine hatch, which gives you ample access to not just the engine itself, but also, as you'll see, numerous batteries, battery chargers, and your water tank. Not to mention, really good, just general bilge access.